This little card transforms into an actual pistol. This phone case is actually a powerful stun gun. And this Tiger Claw will turn you into real-life Catwoman or Wolverine. So let's talk about some hidden self-defense gadgets that you can carry with ease. Lifecard. This is a folding pistol that's no bigger than a stack of credit cards. Not only is it thin enough to slip right into your pocket, but its discreet design also keeps it hidden in plain sight. The real magic though is the fact that it unfolds into a powerful pistol with a full-sized grip for steady aim. In fact, since it only weighs a little more than a cell phone, there's very little recoil. And of course, that means that you don't need special training to get the hang of it. But if you still happen to miss your shot, then there's a hidden compartment that houses 3 backup bullets. Streetwise Sting Ring. Stun guns aren't exactly the easiest thing to carry with you. This, however, solves that problem by shrinking one down into a concealable ring. Don't let its small size deceive you though, as it can still unleash 18 million volts of electricity and jolt your attacker. For context, that's strong enough to disorient most people. Oh, and attacking it is also super easy, as all you gotta do is give it a little squeeze. Plus, there's a safety switch that prevents any accidental discharge. Not to mention, there's a built-in battery that you can plug into any standard outlet, even if it does happen to run out of charge. Paraclaw Knife Bracelet. Most people wear bracelets these days because, well, they're fashionable. But what if we told you that you could also use this one for self-defense? Yeah, this has a 1.5-inch super sharp blade that's shaped like an eagle's claw. Plus, thanks to its robust build, it won't snap even if you drive a truck over it. Oh yeah, and while it may seem a little bit too small for normal use, the handle grooves and the thumb ramp ensure that you've got a positive grip at all times. So there's like a 0% chance of it slipping out of your hand. Once you're done using it though, all you gotta do is just slip it back into the sheath, wait for it, and go about your business. Besides, since this is a bracelet that you're gonna wear, it's got an adjustable loop that makes it perfectly fit on your wrist. And you can even get it in different colors to match your outfit. Phone Stun Gun Case. This isn't your everyday phone case, as it's got a powerful stun gun built right into it. Not only does it come in different sizes to match your phone's model, but it also protects it from any fall damage or scratches. But of course, the stun gun is the main attraction here, as it's capable of producing enough charge to disorient your attacker. In fact, it actually has fangs that are sharp enough to dig through a layer of clothing and make direct contact with the skin. And when it's not in use, you can simply detach the stun gun component. That said, since it's powered by a battery pack that's built into the case, it'll still continue to charge your phone. Lifelite. The Lifelite takes average pepper spray to the next level. That's right, this is a pepper spray grenade launcher that uses bullet-like projections to shoot a massive cloud around your attacker. You don't even have to be up close and personal with it, as it's capable of throwing pepper projectiles from almost 60 feet away. For reference, that's the length of 4 sedans parked together. Like we said, not your average pepper spray. So if someone's running away with your bag, you could aim and shoot to stop them in their tracks. Plus, there's no need to get a direct hit, because the cloud itself is strong enough to incapacitate anyone. Besides, since it basically looks like a flashlight, no one's going to be able to tell the difference anyway. Go Guarded Ring. The Go Guarded Ring is a stylish rubberized ring that's also equipped with a sharp hidden knife. The blade sits right below the soft cover and reveals itself when you strike someone with it. And since it's stretchable, you don't have to worry about the fit either. After all, having a secure grip is sometimes even more important than the sharpness. Having said that, you can also use it within a number of situations other than jogging. Also, there's a ton of color options and blade sizes for you to pick and choose from. Credit Card Knife. This is a knife that's so discreet that it literally folds itself into a credit card. And if you slide it into your wallet, no one's going to be able to tell it's even there. In its unfolded state, the blade almost unravels itself like a piece of paper. And the part that looks like a credit card turns into a full-sized handle instead. The folding mechanism doesn't compromise its strength though, as this blade is as sturdy as it can get. In fact, it's virtually unbreakable and can cut through most things like butter. CardSharp has used specialized surgical steel to make sure that it outlasts everything else in your wallet. And since it only weighs 13 grams, which is about as heavy as a AAA battery, it won't add any extra bulk to your pocket either. Proshield Smart Backpack. This is a backpack that's built to deal with an armed hostile situation. For instance, it's fully bulletproof against most pistol rounds. On top of that, it's got your usual smart stuff as well, like a charging bank, an RFID space for identification chips, and more pockets than you'll ever need. Plus, it's built for hassle-free travel, as the TSA-friendly opening lets you take it through security without needing to take your laptop or tablet out. Oh yeah, just in case it starts to rain, the bag also comes with a deployable poncho that covers all the important stuff inside. CRKT Provoke Compact. Tactical knives aren't always built with self-defense in mind, but they're more effective than most things just by their nature. Its low-profile folding design makes it ideal for everyday carry while keeping it durable. And with the pocket clip, you don't even have to cram it against your smartphone or wallet. Obviously, the real strength lies in its high-carbon stainless steel blade that's super sharp. The deployment method is the first of its kind too, as all you gotta do is push your thumb against the handle. Speaking of the handle though, it's crafted with black stonewash, which basically means that it's gonna last for an extremely long time, even in harsh conditions. Hidden knife belt. Now, this is a belt that's also got a hidden knife in it, but most people won't know that because it's impossible to spot unless it's deployed. The blade itself is housed within the opposite side of the buckle, which slots right into the secret space between the leather. Despite its stealthy mechanism though, it's still almost as large as a full-size kitchen knife, and even the deployment works in a similar way, because you just have to press a little button and pull it out. Besides, it doesn't even look too shabby, as it's just a belt either. TigerLady Self-Defense Claw. Unleash your inner tiger and go full Catwoman on your attackers with this powerful claw. The 3 hidden blades on this are enough to mess anyone up, and since they're retractable, your attacker won't see them coming either. They use a foam layer between the grip for deployment, as squeezing the claw reveals the blades. That's not its only use case though, as it also absorbs the force of your attack to prevent any hand injuries. What's more, there's actual channels under the claws that are designed to capture the DNA. Fast Strike Whip. As the name suggests, this is a personal whip that's built for quick action. Not only is it incredibly light, but it also has a groove handle for a strong grip, and once you've got it equipped, the whip can basically move as fast as your hands. That being said, the lack of weight doesn't stop it from being effective. In fact, if anything, it makes it even more powerful, because the rubberized end actually adds momentum to the strike. Oh, and of course, you can easily fold it up and slip it into your pocket.